Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and khamagani to all of you. Welcome guys, welcome. How is everybody doing? And welcome to this grand marathon. Alright, so this is your term 2 marathon for all your CBSE 9th. So all the topics, all the important questions from all the topics we will be discussing in this particular session. So how is everybody doing? कैसे हैं सारे बच्चे? Good morning guys. Good morning. Good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon. Hello Namandeep. Others, how are you all guys? How is everybody doing? Now guys, before we start this session, quickly like this video before we start and just quickly share this video among all your friends. जल्दी से एक बार do this quickly. Like this video and share this video among your friends group so that maximum number of students can join and we can have an amazing session. Hello. Namandeep ji. Hi Rohit. Hello. Hi Prince. Welcome to the session. Exam offline. I think exams are offline, right? Okay. So we'll be starting this term 2 marathon series. Now, as you all know, this is a marathon series. That means we will be doing all the important questions. Okay? All the important questions from all the chapters. Sare chapters. Right? So all your term 2 chapters, their most important questions I will be discussing be in this session, and this is going to be a quick revision of all the concepts with the help of examples. Okay? So guys, I hope all of you are ready. Shall we start the class? Yes. And guys, thank you so much all the students who have liked this video. Thank you so much. Jaldi se. All right. Okay guys, so chalo, let us start our marathon series. So guys, as you already know that this is your marathon timetable. For science it was on 16th, yesterday it was of English. Today we are doing maths, and tomorrow you will be having SST's marathon session, right? Okay, so if you have missed out on the marathon sessions of science and English, go watch them, and today first watch the maths marathon session. All right, and don't forget to join SST's marathon session tomorrow. All right, these marathon sessions will make sure that all your chapters are covered. All right, hello Urvi beta, welcome to the session. Hello Satyam. So guys, first section we'll be doing 2 marks questions, है ना? The first question, f of x is given 2x cube minus 13x square plus 17x plus 12. Find f of minus 3. That means we need to find out the value of this polynomial at x equal to minus 3. So f of minus 3 will be equal to 2 into minus 3 cube minus 13 into minus 3 square plus 17 into minus 3 plus 12. Minus 3 cube is what? Minus 27 into 2 is minus 54. Minus 3 square is 9 plus 9. Plus 9 into 13 is minus 117. It is also going to be negative. Then 17 threes are 51 minus 51, and here we have plus 12. So it is going to be some negative value. है ना? Negative value है तो कितना आ जाएगा? Minus 210. Simple, right? So what are your possible mistakes over here? The possible mistakes could be, say you make mistake in plus and minus calculations. That's what you can make the mistake in. The mistake can be in the calculation. Otherwise it's a pretty direct questions. ठीक है, एकदम direct question है. Okay, clear? Chalo. Next, Hamid has built a cubical water tank with lid for his house. ठीक है, this is your tank with each other edge 1.5 meter long. ठीक है, so it's a cubical tank. Edge is 1.5 meter. ठीक है, I think it is each edge. He gets the outer surface of the tank excluding the base covered with square tiles of side 25 centimeter. Find how much he would spend for the tiles if the cost of tiles is rupees 360 per dozen. तो अब देखो बेटा इसमें first thing the important points to note over here is he wants to get the outer surface of the tank excluding the base. So important line which you should not miss is he is excluding the base. So he is not covering all the surfaces, but except base he is covering all the surface with the tile. And the tiles are square tiles of side 25 centimeter. Right. So first I'll talk about the cube. ठीक है. First I'll talk about the cube. तो अब cube में देखो बेटा how much surface you need to be covered with tiles. तो surface which needs to be covered with the tile will be equal to 5 surfaces of this cubical tank. So 5 times of, देखो cubical tank edge is 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter into centimeter will be 150 centimeters, right? So 5 into 150 whole square. This much centimeter square of the area needs to be covered. ठीक है? This much area needs to be covered. Now we know area of one tile. What is area of one tile? What is area of one tile? Area of one tile will be 25 into 25. So now I can clearly say it's a number of tiles required. Number of tiles required will be 5 into 150 into 150 divided by area of one tile. So this is 6 times, this is also 6 times, 36 into 5 is 180 tiles. You will require 180 tiles. Now, how much he would spend for the tiles if the cost of tiles is rupees 360 per dozen? Dozen means 12 tiles. So 12 tiles cost is rupees 360. So cost of one tile will be 360 by 12, which is rupees 30. So the cost of 180 tiles will be 180 into 30, which is equal to 5,400. Right? This is what going to be your final answer. Easy hai? ठीक है? Okay. So this is how this question will be done. Simple है. Ritika beta, you can watch the replay as well. First में कुछ है नहीं. Value of the polynomial, nothing else. Okay. ठीक है. Next देखो guys, देखो if you want to go in any previous question, please use the feature on YouTube which you have, is you can watch the previous questions as well. Just what do I say, just put the video a little bit back है ना, and you'll be able to see it, right? चलो next question देखते हैं. Construct an angle at an initial point of the given ray. It's pretty easy. Angle of 90 degree we know how to draw. First we'll draw a ray. Here we'll make one semicircle around this. First angle 60 degree, second cut 120 degree. Bisector of these two will give me 90 degree. ठीक है? This is what will be your 90 degree. It's pretty easy. Okay, amazing. Next question देखो. If one angle of a parallelogram is twice of its adjacent angles, then the angles of the parallelogram are. What are the angles of the parallelogram? So guys, you know, if it is a parallelogram given over here, one angle is suppose x, the adjacent angle is double of it, which is 2x. And we know opposite angles are equal. So this angle is also going to be x, this angle is also going to be 2x. Right? Now either you can use angle quad parallelograms angle sum property. Sum of all the four angles is 360 degree. Or you can say that adjacent angles are supplementary. So x plus 2x will be equal to 180 degree because these are adjacent angles of a parallelogram. And they are what? Supplementary. So 3x is equal to 180. So we'll be getting x is equal to 60 degree. That means the angles are 60 degree, 120 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree. Simple. Easy. Very well done. बहुत बढ़िया. Next one. Blood group of some students of class 9th was surveyed and recorded as below. ठीक है. This is the survey. Blood group दिया हुआ है. Number of students is also given. If a student is chosen at random find the probability that she has blood group A or AB. Now guys, focus on the words over here, probability question. Blood group A or AB, either blood group A or AB. So when I say or, it means both the cases, any one of them. Sorry, when I say or, it means any one of them should be there. Okay? And when I say and, it means both of them should be there. So here A or B, that means either the blood group is A or the blood group is AB. Anyone will work. So here I will say first thing, what is total number of students? So total number of students is what? Yeah, 19 plus 6, 25, and 13 plus 12 is also 25. 25 plus 25, 50. Right? So probability of getting blood group A or AB will be out of 50 students, 19 students have A and 13 students have AB. Right? 19 students have A and 13 students have AB. So this is going to be equal to 32 upon 50, which is equal to 16 by 25. This is your probability. Right? 16 by 25. Okay, bachcho. Next question देखो. This is 32. Typing mistake. 32. Next one, in the figure, O is the center of a circle. Okay, O is the center over here. Passing through A, B, C, D. All right. Angle ADC is given as 120 degree. Find the value of X. Now guys, see carefully. This is the angle X. This is the angle X. One thing you can observe, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So I can say, sir, since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, it is a cyclic quadrilateral, I can say angle B plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree, opposite angles. So angle D is given as 120 degree. You will get angle B as 60 degrees. Alright, angle B is equal to 60 degrees. Chalo, angle B you got as 60 degree. Second thing guys, I can say that sir, this angle C will be 90 degree because angle at the semicircle AB is the diameter. So I can say angle ACB will be equal to 90 degree. Reason being, angle at semicircle is 90 degree. Right? Now you have the two angles of triangle ABC. So I can now say that sir, in triangle ABC, X degree plus 60 degree plus this 90 degree should be equal to 180 degree. You will get X equal to 30 degree. Pretty easy. X is equal to 30 degree. Clear? Simple. Not 40, 30. ठीक है, क्लियर है बच्चों? तो देखो भाई, फर्स्ट थिंग, एंगल बी एंड एंगल डी. Angle D is given as 120 degree. If angle D is 120, angle B will be what? 60. Why? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So if it is 120, this will become 60. Also, angle ACB will be 90 because it is angle at the semicircle. So if it is 90, this is 60. The third angle will be 30 degree. Okay, third angle is going to be 30 degree. Very well done. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move ahead. Beta Rohit, how many time you want me to revise यार? Just that ना. Okay, ठीक है. So now guys, remember, first time ever for all the class 9 students, we are launching an Udan batch. Now what is the specialty of this batch? The specialty of this batch is all your YouTube teachers, be it Shilpi ma'am, Ananya sir, Maria ma'am, Shweta ma'am, me or Bhavna ma'am, all of us will be teaching you. And with our respective subjects. So that's the first thing, because you are already familiar with us, and that is why we are launching a batch which is specially for your grade 9 students, and this batch will be starting from 21st of February. So today is already 18th, 19th, 18th, chalo, I'll count 18th as well, today's date also we have. So 18th, 19th and 20, 3 days you have. And in this 3 days also guys, since we are launching this batch for the first time, we have only kept a limited number of seats. So the seats are very limited. So it's not necessary that within these 3 days only, if you will apply by the end, you might get a seat, you might not see the enrollment button working because maybe the seats might be full. All right, so definitely as soon as possible join for the batch. And yes, foundation students, obviously guys, देखो, the purpose of this batch is to prepare you for your term 2 of CBSE 9th. Now whether you are foundation student, if you feel your term 2 preparation needs some revision, you can definitely join this. ठीक है? Okay बच्चों, so do register. Now you might be thinking, how do you register for it? Don't worry, I'll tell you now. So there will be like around 30 plus live sessions, all right, and also we'll be discussing with tips and tricks. Also your doubt solving will also be happening over there. Your doubts will be resolved with the help of class teachers. The mode of language will be English. English means Hindi plus English. So we will keep it in such a way that neither North Indian students will face any difficulty, nor South Indian, or from any part of the world, they'll not face any difficulty. We'll keep it in both. Okay, and then the base price right now, the best price is 800. Okay? At first, if you'll see, the price is already very low because all subjects will be covered, and in that also apply my coupon code and you will get it for rupees 720. What is the coupon code you have to apply? GPE Pro. What is the coupon code you have to apply? GPE Pro. Now देखो, registration for this is quite easy. For example, say guys, if you will go to the video's description box, here you might see, देखो, Udan Class 9th enrollment link. Click on Udan Class 9th enrollment link and you will be redirected to this page. Here देखो, it is showing 800. But when you will click on buy now, you will be able to apply the coupon code GPE Pro and the price will be 720. If I click on this, since I am logged in with my ID, it will not be working, but for you it will be working. Click on buy now. ठीक है? Because I am already registered as a teacher, that is why. ठीक है? So it's a very easy process, one click process है ना? All the features you can show your parents to you over here, and you can also see the timetable as well. देखो timetable भी यहाँ पे दिख जाएगा, है ना? Explore करोगे category में. Although I think they have written all the chapters over here, but term 2 syllabus, all the term 2 chapters will be covered in this. ठीक है? Alright बच्चों, and see all the subjects over here. And let me make it very clear, these are not recorded videos, these are live classes with quizzes, everything live. Alright, okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं guys 3 marks questions पे. Let's go ahead with our 3 marks question. Next question is ये रहा, x minus a is a factor of the polynomial. अभी देखो, it's a good question, huh? Listen carefully. X minus a is a factor of this polynomial and this polynomial. Then prove that a is t minus q upon r minus b. Now you might be thinking कि sir, how do I get this? है ना, कैसे करना है ये? How will I get this? So it's a pretty clear logic. देखो, what is the information given? Understand what is the information given. Information is x minus a is a factor of these two polynomials, है ना? तो I will say कि चलो sir, if first case, if x minus a is a factor, then what will be 0? 0 will be x equal to a is a 0. ये तो clear है, factor theorem. Make x minus a equal to 0, x equal to a will be the 0 of the polynomial. So if x equal to a is a 0 of the polynomial, I will say, chalo, let us say this is a polynomial p of x. So this polynomial's value at x equal to a will be equal to what? X square. Achha, oh, p is already mentioned over here. Na? I'll use something else. F of x I'll use. Chalo. Say this is f of x. So f value of this polynomial at x equal to a will be a square plus p into a is pa minus q. And since x equal to a is a 0, this value must be equal to 0. This is my first equation. Similarly, second mein guys, let us say this is another polynomial gx. So value of this polynomial at x equal to a must be equal to 0. So we'll be getting a square plus ra minus t is equal to 0. This is your second polynomial, second equation. Now in both these equations guys, observe one thing, कि both the equations are equal to 0. Both are equal to 0. So I will say we can equate equation 1 with equation 2 since both are equal to 0. So a square plus pa minus q is equal to a square plus ra minus t. A square OA square got cancelled. Shift RA over there and Q over there. So you'll get PA minus RA is equal to T minus Q. Take A common, P minus R is equal to T minus Q. P minus R, here it is T, minus T plus Q. It will be minus T plus Q. Minus T plus Q. Okay, ठीक है, we can take negative common ना. Let's take negative. We want to create T minus Q. I think you'll get confused. That is why I'm doing it in this way. T, I'll shift it over there. So you'll get T minus Q is equal to RA minus PA. So T minus Q is equal to R minus P times of A. So A will be equal to T minus Q upon R minus P. ठीक है. So if you'll think about this question, without any logic, if you'll think, you'll be like, yeah, how do I get A equal to this? But if you apply the logic that since x minus A is given as a factor, the only thing I can move ahead in this question is saying that x minus A, if it is a factor, x equal to A will be 0, and applying both the equations. Alright, next question dekho beta. If the probability of winning a race of an athlete is 1/6 less than twice the probability of losing the race, ठीक है, then find the probability of winning the race. So guys, you know that probability of winning plus probability of not winning. Probability of not winning means what? Losing only, right? So probability of winning or probability of losing will be equal to 1. These are two complementary events. Either you will win or you will lose, right? Now let us say, guys, probability of winning a race of an athlete is 1/6 less than twice the probability of losing the race. So let us start with probability of losing the race. Chalo. So probability of losing the race is, let us say, equal to x. Probability of winning will be what? 1/6 less than twice the probability. So 1/6 less than twice the probability of losing. So 2x. This is what the question is given. Let's apply in this equation. So we'll be getting x plus 2x minus 1/6 is equal to 1. 3x is equal to 1 plus 1/6. Which is equal to what? 6 plus 1, 7/6. 3x is equal to 7/6 and x is equal to 7 upon 18. X is 7/18. So what will be probability of winning? Probability of winning will be 2 times of 7/18 minus 1/6. 9 times 7/9 minus 1/6. Take LCM. 18 will be your LCM. Here multiply with 2, 7 2s are 14. Here multiply with 3. 14 minus 3 is 11/18. ठीक है? तो guys, the mistake where student might make is you might leave it at the point 7/18 only. 7/18 is the answer. But understand, 7/18 is the probability of losing, whereas the question is clearly asking you probability of winning. So probability of winning will be 2x minus 1/6 and solve it further. And we need to solve it further. So we will be getting it as 11/18. Alright. Okay. Next question, guys. A right triangle of hypotenuse 13 centimeter and one of its sides 12 centimeter is made to revolve taking 12 centimeter as its axis. So this question, देखो, it's a clear NCERT based question. है ना? NCERT में, अच्छा, which shape it is going to be, all of you know, right? Which shape it is? Let me know in the chat box, guys, quickly. What is the shape over here? Which shape it is? Quickly. Which shape it is? This is 12. This is 13. It is going to be a cone. So guys, as you all know, using Pythagoras theorem, है ना, this side x or this side r, this is going to be the radius, ठीक है, this is r. Alright, so if I rotate along this, keeping this 12 centimeter fixed. So what it will be forming? It will be forming a cone like this, where r will be your radius. So r will be square root of 13 square minus 12 square. You'll get it as 5, right? Height is 12 slant height. So this is going to be slant height. This is going to be height, and this is your radius. Radius is equal to 5. Now what do you want? Whatever you want, you can find it out by first thing they are asking you, find the volume. 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square into h. Solve kar lena. Then surface area pi r, surface area, so total surface area it is going to be pi r into L plus r. So pi into r into L plus r. Solve this as well. These are direct formula questions. These are direct formula question. ठीक है? So pi r L they are finding. They have what they have given. अच्छा, okay, curved surface area. I thought only surface area. CSA it is. चलो ठीक है. Total surface area and curved surface area. I'll write it over here. Pi into r into L. So pi into r into L. ठीक है? It is curved. हाँ. I only read this much. मैंने इतना ही पढ़ा. I thought it is volume and surface area. So I thought it is total surface area. But from here guys, one more thing you need to understand, that if the question is telling you only curve, only surface area, खाली surface area बोल रहे मतलब all the surfaces. Okay, next one. Construct an equilateral triangle whose altitude is 6 centimeter long. Now see, this is one good question from the topic construction. This is one good question from the topic construction. Altitude length is given. ठीक है, length of altitude in the triangle is 6. It is not given to you. ये नहीं बोला है बेटा what is the side. So how do we draw? देखो, in this diagram this is given to you, this altitude, this is given as 6. Now understand the logic guys. You know this is altitude, so this is 90 degree. Okay, one more thing, you know that this angle is going to be 60 degree. This angle is also going to be 60 degree. Yes, so if you use angle sum property, you'll guys get to know that these two angles are going to be equal both at 30 degree and 30 degree. Correct? So the two sides will be at an angle of 30 degree, 30 degree. Also in an equilateral triangle, since it is an equilateral triangle, the altitude will be bisecting this base. Altitude bisect भी करता है in case of an equilateral triangle. So using this information, now I will draw my triangle. How do I draw it? देखो, first what I'll do guys, I will draw एक बड़ी सी लाइन खींच लूंगा, है ना, से थोड़ा सा बड़ा, around 10 centimeter something, है ना. Alright, and then what I'll do, I'll draw the perpendicular bisector. So keeping one point over here, one upper half, lower half, here also one upper half, and then lower half, and this is what your perpendicular bisector, for example. Okay, so this is the midpoint over here. At this midpoint guys, the altitude length is how much? 6. Altitude is at length of 6 centimeter. So I am saying this is my point P. Okay, point P I have got over here. Point A is at 6 centimeter. So make one intersection over here. Let's say this is point A, this is 6 centimeter altitude. Okay. Now the remaining two sides are at an angle of 30 degree. So let's draw an angle of 30 degree over here. 30 degree draw karna beta. First over here, first angle will be 60. 60 is bisector if you will draw 30. Same thing over here. First angle will be 60. 60 is bisector will be 30. So draw one line at 30 degree. Draw another line also at 30 degree. Wherever these 30 degree lines intersect our original line, that will be your point B, and here you will get your point C. So this is what going to be your required triangle A, B, C. A, B, C. ठीक है, तो this diagram, understanding this diagram was important. That if altitude is 6 centimeter, that altitude will bisect the base and the remaining two sides will make an angle of 30 degree on both the sides. So first I draw a line which was comparatively bigger. Then I draw its perpendicular bisector. I got the midpoint. On that midpoint at n length of 6 centimeter, I have made the altitude of 6 centimeters. So altitude is of 6 centimeter. Now at that point A, both the sides will be at 30 degree, 30 degree. This is how you will be constructing it. Alright? ठीक है बच्चों? So this is how this question will be done. Next one, in the given figure PQR, क्या? PQR is over here, 100 degree given, where P, Q and R are points on a circle with center O. PQR देख रहे हो? Points on a circle with center O. Find angle OPR. चलो, OPR निकालना बेटा. Where is OPR? OPR is over here. अच्छा, can you tell me, guys, if I join this with point A over here, can I say that, sir, this angle A by APQR is a cyclic quadrilateral? What I am saying, APQR is a cyclic quadrilateral. Yes or no? So I can say, sir, angle PAR plus that angle of 100 degree should be equal to 180 degree. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So angle PAR will be equal to 80 degree. ठीक है? This angle at A is 80 degree. If this angle at A is 80 degree, what do you think about this angle at O? Do you remember that theorem? Angle subtended by any arc. Arc is this arc PQR. This arc PQR subtends an angle of angle POR at center, and in the remaining part of the circle the angle is 80 degree. So angle at the center will be double. So it is going to be 160 degrees. Right? So I will say now that, sir, angle POR is double of angle PAR. Angle at the center is double of the angle at the any other point on the remaining part of the circle. So 2 times of 80, which is equal to 160 degrees. Now look at triangle POR. So if you will see, in triangle POR, you have OP is equal to OR because both are equal to radius. And when it is an isosceles triangle, the two angles are also going to be equal. This angle will be equal to this angle. Both these angles are equal. So I can say, sir, angle OPR is equal to angle ORP. Let us say both are equal to x degrees each. दोनों कितना बेटा? x degrees. बस. Now use angle sum property. So you'll say 160 degree plus x equal to 180. 2x is equal to 20 and x is equal to 10 degrees. X is how much? 10 degrees. That means your angle OPR will be 10 degrees. Very well done बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया. Very well done. Very well done. Amazing. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़े बेटा. Next question देखो. In the figure D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of BC, CA and AB. ठीक है. Of an equilateral triangle ABC. So important points focus करो. First thing, these are the midpoints and of an equilateral triangle ABC. These are the important points for us. Prove that DEF is also an equilateral triangle. ठीक है. अब देखो बेटा, I can say कि since triangle ABC is equilateral triangle, that means what? AB, BC and AC all are equal. Let's say all are x units. Right? Now you know that D, E and F, they are midpoints. D, E and F are midpoints. So if you'll see, ध्यान से देखोगे बेटा, I can say कि देखो sir, since D is the midpoint of BC, F is the midpoint of AB. So if I use midpoint theorem, I will say DF will be parallel to AC and half of AC. Yes or no? I can say, sir, using midpoint theorem, I can say, sir, DF will be parallel to AC and DF will be half of AC. So I can say, sir, DF is going to be equal to half of AC, matlab x by 2, right? Similarly बेटा, you will also see कि sir, फिर तो एक बात बताओ, so it's not like ना that only D and F are the midpoints. This E also is the midpoint of AC. So if I take the line DE, then DE will be parallel to AB. So here I can say, sir, similarly I will say, sir, DE is parallel to AB. DE will be parallel to AB and DE will be half of AB, which is going to be x by 2. And similarly I can say FE will be parallel to BC and FE will be half of BC, which is equal to x by 2. So you can clearly see DF, DE and FE all are equal to x by 2. So triangle DEF is equilateral triangle. ठीक है, क्लियर है बच्चों? सिंपल. So it's a simple application of midpoint theorem. It's a simple application of midpoint theorem, and this is how you can write it. देख लो, ठीक है? So I'm also telling you that how you can write your answers in your exam as well. Okay, next question देखो बेटा. अच्छा, before we move ahead, remember I have told you about the DRONA batch, UDAN batch for grade 9, DRONA batch for grade 10th. Alright, link for registration is in the description box. Amazing features you are getting, guys, and this is like now or never. This is the opportunity you are getting right now. Go ahead with it, grab it with both the hands, and the coupon code which will be helping you to get the discount will be GPE Pro, and you'll be getting the UDAN batch with rupees 720 after applying this coupon code. Okay, next 4 mark questions, the lengthier ones, bigger ones, बड़े वाले, ठीक है? Shall we move ahead, guys? चलें आगे. Is everything clear till now? अभी तक का सारा clear है बेटा? Is everything clear till here? Everybody let me know, guys. Let me know is everything clear? And guys, don't forget to like this video before you leave, यार. Like करो जल्दी से, quickly, and share it among your friends. Share it करो. Yes, clear? Very good. सारे बच्चे आंसर करेंगे. Let me know. Quickly answer, guys. Be quick. Alright. Okay. So let's move ahead with the bigger questions, 4 mark questions. First one, if two circles intersect in 2 points, prove that the line through the centers is the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Now this is one of the most important questions from the topic circles. One of the most important questions from the topic circles. Guys, बहुत ध्यान से, be very careful and see what I am doing with this question. I wish we could put some shapes in this. Can we put some shapes? No, directly we cannot. Okay. So guys, let's see. Dekho, this is a circle. Now the diagram is going to be rough. Okay. This is a circle, and another circle is intersecting it as well over here. Let's say this is how two circles are intersecting. ठीक है, wait, चलो ठीक है, these are the two circles intersecting at 2 points. Prove that the line through their centers, this is the center of the first circle, this is the center of the another circle, line through their centers. So this line which I am drawing through their centers is the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. तो guys common chord कौन सी होगी? Common chord will be, देखो there are two common points between these two circles. One is over here, another is over here. If I join these two with a line, this line say AB, this AB is going to be the common chord. This line AB is going to be the common chord. यही पूछ रहे हैं, right? Let's say the center of this circle is, let's say, O, and center of this circle is, let's say, O dash. So what we need to prove? To prove, guys, क्या prove करना है? First to understand this thing. They are saying the line through the centers, that means this line O dash is a perpendicular bisector of common chord. That means this O dash is perpendicular to AB, as well as wherever this line is intersecting the chord AB. Suppose it is intersecting at a point P. So you have to prove that O dash is perpendicular to AB. Also you have to prove that AP is equal to BP. ये दो चीजें prove करनी है. Then only I can say O dash is perpendicular as well as passing through its midpoint. Right? Clear है? That is what we need to prove. First thing, understanding the question. Now how do we go ahead with it? कैसे करना है इसको, prove कैसे करेंगे? तो यार obviously you know कि यार sir in these proving questions most of the time what is being done is proving congruency. So I thought चलो draw करते हैं, इन दोनों को join कर लेते हैं. We'll join both of them. And I am seeing that can I prove these two triangles congruent? Sorry, I am thinking of proving triangle APO and APO dash congruent. So in that I will say, देखो, first thing what I can say over here is कि sir AP is the common side. That's true. Then other than that I don't have any other information. I cannot say both the circle have same radius. That also cannot be said. About these angles also cannot say anything. कुछ नहीं कह पा रहे. Are you getting my point? What I am saying, telling you over here, है ना? So that is the issue over here. ये हमारा issue हो रहा है. समझ रहे हो? Clear है guys? So directly I am not able to prove these two triangles congruent. डायरेक्टली तो यहाँ पे कॉन्ग्रुएंसी प्रूव नहीं हो पाएगी. ठीक है, व्हाट वी विल डू, टू सर्कल्स इंटरसेक्टिंग 2 पॉइंट्स. ठीक है, हाँ. सो नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू गाइज, आई विल जॉइन देम ओवर हियर एज वेल. यहाँ पे भी ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं. एंड लेट अस टेक दीज बिगर ट्राइंगल्स, ये जो बड़े वाले ट्राइंगल है, let us take these two triangles congruent, है ना? So now I have triangle OAO dash in triangle OAO dash and triangle OBO dash. This one upper triangle and one lower triangle. Now guys I can say, देखो, this is say R, this is also R, this is some other radius capital R, this is also some other radius capital R. So I can say, sir, first thing, OA is equal to O dash A and OB is equal to O dash, writing wrong. OA is equal to OB, I need to write. OA is equal to OB and O dash A is equal to O dash B. These two are equal to radius, these are also radius. And then I will say that sir O dash is the common side. O dash is the common side. ठीक है, this is the common side. So which rule it is, beta? Which rule it is? I can say, sir, by using side rule, SSS rule, I can say triangle OAO dash is congruent to triangle OBO dash. Triangle OAO dash is congruent to triangle OBO dash. Clear hai picture? Is it clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear? Right? This congruency clear? ठीक है? अब देखो, when I prove these two triangles congruent, what can I say? What can I say about these things, है ना? तो इसके बारे में हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? तो सर जी, one thing I can say कि if these two triangles are congruent, I will get this angle and this angle equal, है ना? I will say, sir, angle angle A. Oh, what happened? I thought how everything vanished here. So I will say, sir, angle AOO dash will be equal to angle BOO dash by CPCT. This is very important. By CPCT. Now see, this congruency we required. ये congruency अपने को करना पड़ा बेटा to get this result. This is very important result. Now we will go with the normal thing. अब हम लोग काम करते हैं. Let us prove the congruency of AOP and BOP. Now I'll come to my triangle. In triangle AOP and triangle BOP. देखो, earlier if I talk about the congruency of triangle AOP and BOP, I had AO equal to BO. I had AO equal to BO. OP will be the common side, but this angle was not present. But with the help of this equation, now I can easily prove these two triangles congruent. I can say AO is equal to BO, OP is equal to OP, and in between I can say angle AOP will be equal to angle BOP because it is same as angle AOO dash, BOO dash. So by side angle side rule, triangle AOP will be congruent to triangle BOP. Look in the diagram. AOP, BOP, if they are congruent by CPCT, first thing I can say AP is equal to BP. देखो, first half proved, AP equal to BP. Second thing I can say, sir, angle APO, angle APO plus angle BPO will be equal to what? Sorry, angle APO BPO first will make it equal by CPCT. पहले equal कर लेते हैं. Angle APO and BPO both will be equal, right? By corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. As we have got triangle AOP and BOP congruent, I will say AP and BP are equal, and also this angle APO and BPO are also equal. Also we know that angle APO and BPO will be a linear pair. They are linear pair as well. So from these two equations, guys, it is pretty clear that angle APO will be equal to angle BPO, and both are going to be 90 degrees. They both will be 90 degrees. That means ये angle 90 हो गया, and if this angle is 90, it clearly says OO dash is perpendicular to AB. So both conditions are satisfied, and now we can say that the line joining the center of the circles will be perpendicular bisector to the common chord. Will be the perpendicular bisector to the common chord. So let me revise this one more time. Very important question from the topic circle. First है कि sir जी, first understand how the diagram is drawn. Then I talk about the triangle AOO dash and BOO dash. I prove them congruent with the help of side rule. We do that so that I can get angle AOO dash and BOO dash equal. If these two angles, which two? ये angle AOO dash, this angle over here, and BOO dash, these two angles, if we get equal to each other, then only I can prove the congruency of AOP and BOP, as AO and BO are equal and OP is the common side, angle between them will be equal. So for that particular equation, we do this congruency. Then we'll go into the congruency of this triangle and it can be easily solved. So two congruencies we need to prove. ठीक है? Clear है बच्चों? Let's move ahead. Next question. 3 coins are simultaneously tossed 250 times. The distribution of various outcomes is listed below. Find the respective probability of each event and check that the sum of all probabilities is 1. ठीक है? तो बेटा यहाँ पे it's pretty easy. Probability of getting 3 heads will be 30 by 250, which is equal to 3 upon 25. Probability of getting 2 heads, 3 tails it is. 3 tails. Probability of getting 2 tails will be 70 upon 250, which is 7 by 25. Probability of getting 1 tail will be 90 upon 250, which is 9 by 25. And probability of getting no tails will be 60 upon 250, which is equal to 6 by 25. Sum of all of them, if we do the sum of all of these properties, 3 by 25 plus 7 by 25 plus 9 by 25 plus 6 by 25, we are getting 25 is the common denominator, and 3 plus 7 10 plus 9 plus 9 19. Arey yaar, where is yeah, by mistake I removed everything. चलो यहाँ पे देख लो यार, है ना? And if we add all of them, it will be equal to 1. I don't know, I pressed erase everything and everything erased from this particular slide. बाकी का तो नहीं है. हाँ, okay, it's easy ना, clear है? ठीक है, next question. चलो, nice question. Factorize x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6 completely using factor theorem. Factor theorem लगाना है बेटा. Factor theorem में obviously you know this is a cubic equation, there will be 3 zeros. 3 zeros, then we will have 3 factors. So I will say, so this polynomial p of x can be written as the product of its factors. ये अपन लोग, we can write it as a product of its factors, right? Now we don't know what is one of the factors, so we'll start with getting 1 0. We try the different values. Which different values we'll try? We'll try all the factors of 6. So all the factors of 6 will be plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and plus minus 6. You will get one of them very easily. So let's find out the value at x equal to 1. 1 pe to it is not becoming. 1 cube is 1 plus 6 plus 11 plus 6. It is not equal to 0. I'm not calculating, main thing I want 0. At minus 1 there are chances. देखो, minus 1 cube will be minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. 1 plus 6 is 6. 11 into minus 1 is minus 11 and plus 6. देखो, it is becoming equal to 0. So from here we got x equal to minus 1 is a 0 of this polynomial p of x. So what will be the factor? Shift minus 1 over there. You will say x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Correct है ये? This is a factor. Now x plus 1, if it is a factor, we got to know कि भाई one of the factor is x plus 1. पता चल गया? One of the factor is what? X plus 1. How do I get the remaining one? Pretty easy. So shift 1 plus 1 in division. So if this original polynomial p of x, if I divide this original polynomial p of x, if I divide this x plus 1, if I shift it in division, I will get my remaining 2 factors. This part you don't have to write. ये नहीं लिखना है exam में. There is only for the explanation I am telling you. ठीक है? तो what you will do बेटा? Divide करना है. चलो divide करते हैं. Let's see. X cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. And here what do we have? We have to divide with x plus 1. X cube we need to create from x, multiply with x square. X square into x is x cube. X square into 1 is x square. minus minus subtraction is happening. This got cancelled. 6x square minus x 5x square minus x square is 5x square plus 11x plus 6. How do I create 5x square from x? Or multiply with 5x. 5x into x is 5x square. 5x into 1 is plus 5x. Subtract them, minus minus got cancelled. 11 minus 5 is 6x plus 6. Multiply with 6. So 6x plus 6, and remember remainder has to be 0. If remainder is 0, that means you are doing it correctly. Now you will be thinking, ki, sir, where are the other two factors? The other two factors are over here. Factorize this. X square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, x common, x plus 2, 3 common, x plus 2. You are getting x plus 2 into x plus 3. These are your remaining two factors, right? So I can say, sir, my this polynomial p of x can be written as first ho gaya x plus 1 multiplied with x plus 2 and x plus 3. This is the factorization. This is the factorization. Sir, how you find minus 1? Please explain again. Aditi beta, first 0, when a cubic equation is given, when we don't know any 0 of that, we try different values. Which values you will try? The constant term which you are seeing over here, try all its factors. So 6 have plus minus 1 as a factor, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 or plus minus 6. So I started with plus 1. Value of polynomial at x equal to 1. 1 cube plus 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 plus 6. Obviously it is 24, which is not equal to 0. Second, if I put x equal to minus 1, minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1 into 6 is 6. 11 into minus 1 is minus 11 plus 6, which is equal to 0. Matlab x equal to value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 1 is becoming 0. So x equal to minus 1 is a 0, or you can say x plus 1 is a factor. If x plus 1 is a factor, divide the given polynomial by x plus 1 to get the remaining factors. You do this long division, you got a quotient. This quotient will give you your remaining factors. Factorize this. X plus 2 and x plus 3 are your remaining factors. ठीक है beta? Satyam, there is no difference. There is no difference. Roots of a polynomial, zeros of a polynomial, same thing. Okay, clear? I'll move ahead now. Guys, share the video quickly yaar among your friends. Jaldi se share karo. Okay, next question. A rectangular tank is 225 meter into 162 meter at base. ठीक है? Base is given 225 into 162. With what speed water should flow into it through an aperture of 60 centimeter into 45 centimeter, so that the level of water is raised by 20 centimeter in 2.5 hours. अब ये देखो, this is a HOTS type, बहुत ज़्यादा difficult है. I think grade 10th में it is given, but not for grade 9th, but still we'll do it. ठीक है? देखो, rectangular tank है, base dimensions are given. All right, this is 225, this is 162. What do you want? कि भाई देखो एक एपर्चर है, ऐसा कुछ है 16 into मतलब ऐसा कुछ छेद है जहाँ से पानी आ रहा है, water is coming out of it, flowing through it. This is what the question is. ठीक है, ये समझ लो. You need to understand this particular thing. Yes. Or I'll show it to that side. ठीक है, this is what 60. This is 60. This is 45. From here, water is coming, ठीक है, water ऐसे आ रहा है and it is filling this tank. Alright, what is saying how it is filling? It is filling it in such a way that the water level of water is raised by 20 centimeter in 2.5. 20 centimeter water raise हो गया. अपने को मतलब ये समझ लो कि भाई suppose earlier there was some water level था यहाँ पे which we don't care कितना था, doesn't matter to us, ठीक है. Let's say earlier the water level was up to here. It is saying that because of this aperture, the water level raised. So this is what important for us, the raise in water level. ठीक है, तो let us say कि भाई water level में ऐसा rise हो गया. This is the rise in water level, which is important to us. And this rise in water level, this is say is given as how much? 20 centimeters. Please understand this is 20 centimeters and these are given in meters. So I can say volume of water. देखो, this water raise, the raise in water is cause of the water which is coming out of this aperture. उसी की वजह से हुआ है. So I can say volume of this raised water will be how much? I will say, sir, 225 into 162 into h. L into b into h. L ये रहा, b ये रहा. H will be 20 centimeter converted into meter. 20 by 100, which is equal to what? 1 by 5 or 0.2. 20 centimeter will be 0.2 meters. This is the volume of water raised, right? If you want, you can multiply this as well. 225 into 0.2, if you will do, it will be equal to 450. So 45 it will become. Into 162. Let's keep it like this. This much meter cube of water is raised in this tank. That all has come from the aperture. Now see, aperture's dimension is given. Now देखो, this water is present in this. इसके अंदर present है. So I will say, देखो, water flow जो कर रहा है ना, the amount of water which is flowing from this particular hole, amount of water which is flowing will depend upon how much water is being flown. है ना, कितनी speed से आ रहा है water flow, है ना. So with what speed should water flow? So rate of water flow or speed of water flow. With what speed should water flow? What is the rate of water flow into it through an aperture? 60 centimeter 45 centimeter ये दिया हुआ है. अब आप देखो, ये देखना है कि भाई what speed the water is coming inside it. So ये जो फॉर्मूला होता है ना बेटा water speed का, this area from which the water is coming, this is called area of cross section. So this area of cross section multiplied with the speed of water flow is equal to the volume of water. ये एक important है थोड़ा सा. So this area of cross section is 60 centimeter 45 centimeter. तो 60 by 100 is 0.6 meters में करना पड़ेगा ना. So 0.6 into 0.45 into speed of water flow is, let's say, x should be equal to this 45 into 162. So we'll be getting x is equal to 45 into 162 divided by, अरे नहीं, wait, टाइम भी तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Wait, this formula I have to change a little bit. Speed of water flow into time with for which it is flowing is equal to volume. That is what I was thinking. Something is missing. Into time multiplied with the time. So area of this cross section is nothing but 45. So 0.45, because we have to convert it into meters, into 0.6 speed of water flow is, let's say, x. Time, it is given it was flowing for 2.5 hours. So 2.5 hours, or you can say 5/2 hours, is equal to volume, which is 45 into 162. So you'll be getting x as 45 into 162 into 2 divided by 0.45 into 0.6 into 5. Let us remove the decimals. So here multiply with 1000, 45 to 45 got cancelled, and here 6 ones, 2 ones are 2 3s are, 3 will cancel over here, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are, है ना, and 54,000 और यहाँ पे 5 है, तो it will be 200, which is equal to 2700 meter per hour. 2700 meter means 2 point divided by 1000, 2.7 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of flow. This is the speed of flow. ठीक है, तो volume of water flow will be area of aperture into x kilometer, whatever is the speed. So here 10.8 it is getting. Have I made a mistake? Same thing I have done now. 16 to 45 into x, 0.6 45 into, this is x kilometers, x है वो 1000 में, is equal to here 270 x meter cube. Is there any mistake, calculation mistake I have done, guys? 225, here I have done 20 centimeter है ना, 20 centimeter, 20 by 100, 1 by 5, 45 into 162, it is correct. Area of cross section 0.45 into 0.6 into x, which is the speed of water flow, है ना, which I have taken, into time. Time I have taken in 5/2. This is in meters, meter per hour I am taking right now. 45 into 162. So this is 0.6 into 45, 162, 2 will come in numerator, 0.45, this got cancelled, 1000 we have already placed over there, 10.8, 0.2 should be, अरे 0.2 I have multiplied ना बेटा, यहाँ पे यही तो multiply किया है, देखो 0.2 already multiplied. Wait. Why यार? 225 into 162 into, this is what, 0.2 है ना, this is the total volume, this divided by the area of cross section, which is 0.6 into 0.45, ठीक है, into speed of water flow we don't know, and for 5/2 hours this will be, for 5/2 hours we'll get in meters. 1 2, ये तो छोड़ दो यार 6 को, तो this will be into 1000 करेंगे, so 45 will cancel this 5 times, 5 to 5 got cancelled, times 27. Again I am getting 2700 meters per hour. I am getting this much. What they are doing here, 225 into 162 into 20/100, some mistake it is, by 1.25. ठीक है. Let me see, is it 270x? 1 2 got cancelled, 1 to 1 cancelled, this to this got cancelled. 45 into 6, 270x, and here 2916, how they are getting 2916. Guys, where is the mistake here? Can you find the mistake, identify the mistake over here? You see 225, 162, 5 into 162 into 0.2 to 2916. Okay, my mistake. What is my mistake over here then? Let's see, 225 into 162 into 0.2. Okay, this divided by 0.45 divided by 0.6 divided by 2.5. I think I am making some calculation mistake. Some calculation mistake is over here. अरे यार बाप रे, same mistake I am doing again and again. You know what is the calculation mistake, guys? I'll show you over here. देखो, I'll tell you. इतना तो मेरे को लगा तुम लोग बताओगे मेरे को. We wasted so much time. बाप रे. अरे 54 into 2. I divide by 2. It is 54 into 2. 10800. This is meter per hour we are getting, divided by 1000, so 10.8 kilometer per hour. समझे? Are you getting it? What was the mistake? Nothing else. 54 into 2 करना है ना. I did divide by 2. 54 by 2 27 लिख रहा हूँ कब से. 54 2 into 2 करना है ना. Everything was correct at the last step. Getting it? Okay. So here let's take this question one more time. है ना. देखो, main is this formula. Although this is your grade 10th का question है. This is grade 10th level question, but if you can understand, it's pretty easy. If from a hole of water is coming with some speed, so the volume of water which comes out of that hole will be the volume of cross section. That means area of cross section means area of that hole into speed of the water which is flowing multiplied with for how much time it is flowing. This will be equal to the volume of water. ये एक concept बेटा याद कर लो, note it down in your formula as well, and then these speed वाले questions will be very easy for you. Then these speed वाले questions will be very easy for you. ठीक है? Quickly. Okay बच्चों. Alright बच्चों, पार्टी क्लियर है ना. डन है. लेट्स मूव अहेड, आगे बढ़े. बेटा Safwan, you are having difficulty, that is why I am here na. Okay, see what we are doing, and obviously go ahead, you can go for the DRONA batch as well, Udan batch as well. There you can also join and revise the previous sessions. Okay, next question देखते हैं बेटा. It took us so much time यार. That simple into 2 वाला mistake. हाँ, if you remember it, it will be good Satyam. बस वो एक फॉर्मूला याद कर लो. Area of cross section into speed of flow into time is equal to volume of water coming out of it. Okay, next, show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. It's an easy one, but an important one because it is an NCERT question. You have that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral, it is given to you, it is a normal quadrilateral. Normal quadrilateral है जिसमें diagonals are bisecting each other. This is given to you. Diagonals are bisecting each other at 90 degree. This thing is given to you कि भाई diagonals जो हैं they are bisecting each other. You have to prove that it is a rhombus. क्या prove करना है? It is a rhombus. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों? Let us do it now. So first thing I can say, sir, देखो, let's say it is a quadrilateral ABCD. What is given to us? Given that ABCD is a quadrilateral, not any special quadrilateral, a normal quadrilateral in which AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD and AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. ठीक है, this thing is given to you. ये दिया हुआ है अपने को. All right. Now, if I have to prove it to be a rhombus, beta, what I have told you that either we have to prove all the sides are equal. Direct जाना है तो I will prove that all sides are equal, or first I will prove that it is a parallelogram, and once it is a parallelogram, I can prove it to be a rhombus if any one pair of adjacent sides are equal. So what I'll do, I'll take first two opposite triangles. Say for triangle AOB and COD ले लो. So I'll say, sir, in triangle AOB and triangle COD, देखो, from the given condition I can say AO is equal to CO, then I can say BO is equal to DO, then I can say BO is equal to DO, and I can say angle AOB is equal to angle COD, both are equal to 90 degree. So which will it is? Side angle side rule. I'll say by side angle side rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. And if they are congruent, beta, if they are congruent, I can say first thing, AB is equal to CD by CPCT. AB is equal to CD. First देखना बेटा, ध्यान से सुनना. First thing by CPCT we have got AB and CD is equal. Opposite sides are equal. And now if I prove it, opposite sides are also parallel, I will say at least ABCD is a parallelogram. ठीक है? Sir, if we prove, बेटा अब यार ये तुम लोग शौनक देखो, revision means कि हम लोग revision कर सकते हैं. If your doubts are with the basics, how many times I have told quadrilateral sessions, if you have seen, I have told you quadrilateral when all sides are equal is a rhombus, but a quadrilateral when all sides and all angles are equal, then it is a square. Basics किया नहीं है तुम लोगों ने. Don't forget the basics. Very important. Quadrilaterals chapter, I am telling you guys, Prodigy session में, the one which I have done, go through it. Each and every concept of yours will be clear. उसको देखो, invest some time in it, solve some questions of it, तब जाके होगा ना यार. बैठे बिठाए, how do you get knowledge? Knowledge के लिए hard work is necessary. Not necessary, absolute requirement it is. ठीक है? Without it, nothing will happen. So, watch those videos, practice the questions. है ना? So, Shaunak, if you are not very clear with the topic quadrilateral, एक बार Prodigy session के quadrilaterals के दोनों session देख लो. Everything will be clear regarding the properties वगैरह सब कुछ. Okay. Now to prove it to be parallel, what I'll do, guys, देखो, by CPCT, I can also say, sir, this angle OAB and angle OCD will be equal. ठीक है? चलो. So angle OAB will be equal to angle OCD, again by CPCT only. Also you see beta, these are forming a pair of interior alternate angles or not. So I can say by converse, by converse of interior alternate angle theorem. Interior alternate angle theorem says that if lines are parallel, interior alternate angles will be equal. Converse theorem says that if interior alternate angles are equal, lines will be parallel. I can say AB is parallel to CD. And from these two equations, chalo bhai hamari equation 1, this is equation 2. You can clearly say, sir, from 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, I can say ABCD is a parallelogram. ठीक है, halfway done. Earlier it was a normal quadrilateral. Now it has become a parallelogram. A parallelogram to rhombus, if I have to go, you need to do what, beta? You need to prove that adjacent sides are equal. One pair of adjacent sides are equal. ठीक है? So let us prove it. That same diagram I am drawing it to you over here. This is the problem over here, yaar, in this. Again and again we need to draw the same diagram, cannot copy the figures, all that. So it takes some time. A, B, C, D, this and this is equal, this and this is equal, we have proved. This and this is also equal as well as it is parallel. ये prove कर दिया बेटा, and we know these angles are 90 degree. Now to prove adjacent sides equal, what do we get? कौन है ये? आरव, क्या बात कर रहे हो बेटा? सही में? नाइस. पापा को जाके भी ऐसे बोल दो. Go and tell your father also the same thing. Go. ठीक है? So this is your point O. Okay? क्या है भाई? Sir, zero and factor theorem related to each other. हाँ, there is. देखो आरव, again I am telling you this thing you can understand. Prodigy session देखो, उसमें you will be clear about it. Remainder theorem है, factor theorem है. What is the difference? All right. So to get adjacent sides equal, obviously guys, take two triangles where adjacent sides are involved. Say I will take triangle AOB and triangle COB. ठीक है? So now I'll talk about in triangle AOB and triangle COB. In these two triangles, first thing देखो, AO is equal to CO. AO and CO are equal. Also angle AOB is equal to angle COB, both are equal to 90 degree. And then I will say BO is equal to BO, which is common side. ठीक है? So which rule it is? Side angle side rule. By side angle side rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. And if they are congruent, what I can say? By CPCT, that AB is equal to BC. AB and BC are also equal, right? If AB and BC is equal, one pair of adjacent sides are equal, automatically all will become equal, and I can say ABCD is a rhombus. This whole thing I have taught in detail. Prodigy session, quadrilateral, I have told how do you prove a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram, quadrilateral to be a rhombus, everything I have done. ठीक है? तो उसको देख लेना, it will be very useful for you all. Alright बच्चों, next चलते हैं. Construct and justify a triangle PQR given that QR is 3 cm, PQR is 45 and QP minus PR is 2 cm. Now see, whenever difference of sides is given, it is very important कि भाई ये कौन सा वाला करना है अपने को, है ना? दो मेथड है. तो let's draw a rough diagram. Rough diagram से we'll get the idea. QR is your base, QR is my base, and angle PQR, मतलब base angle is angle Q given. So if base angle is angle Q, I will say this side will be the adjacent side to the base angle, this side will be the opposite side to the base angle, है ना? So here they have given you QP minus PR, that means adjacent minus opposite. तो बेटा adjacent minus opposite दिया हुआ है, adjacent side is greater एडजेसेंट साइड ग्रेटर है तो नॉर्मल वे, द वे वी डू इन सम ऑफ द साइड्स. ठीक है, नॉर्मल तरीका सम ऑफ द साइड्स कैसे देते हैं, सेम तरीके से. तो हाउ डू वी सॉल्व इट, फर्स्ट ड्रॉ एन एंगल QR, first draw a side QR of 3 centimeter, QR of 3 centimeter. Then make an angle of 45 degree over here. So one semicircle. देखो, this is a rough diagram. अब बच्चों देखो, although it is not mentioned over here that 45 degree को compass से draw करना है or with protractor, but whatever angles you can draw with the help of compass, always draw with compass, हमेशा. And here we'll draw the perpendicular bisector. ओके, ये थोड़ा सा डायग्राम मेरा मिस्टेक है, समझ लेना तुम लोग. दिस 45 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ डिफरेंस इज गिवन 2 सेंटीमीटर. मेक एन इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ 2 सेंटीमीटर ओवर हियर. कीप द टिप ऑफ द कंपास एट Q and here let's say a point A. QA we have taken as 2 centimeters. Join A with R. Done. Draw the perpendicular bisector of this. Perpendicular bisector, open it more than half. One cut over here, another cut over here. Open it more than half. One cut over here, another cut over here. है ना? This is what is going to be your perpendicular bisector. Wherever the perpendicular bisector is intersecting the original line, that is going to be your point P. And this PQR will be your required triangle. ठीक है, I am drawing it with this purple line PQR. This is our required triangle. Proving question में triangle ABC congruent to DBC, ABC and DBC. ABC को congruent प्रूव करोगे बेटा, वो those are not congruent triangles. ABC and DBC are not congruent triangles. Aditi, they are not congruent. तो वो नहीं कर पाओगे proof. If they are not congruent, you will not be able to prove it. ठीक है, अब देखो, this is only half part. If you are leaving the question over here, you are losing your marks. Why? Because the question has told justify as well. Justification भी तो देना है. How do you justify this is the same triangle? तो justification means what? I need to prove. Justification means I need to prove that this QP minus PR is 2 centimeter. है ना? बाकी तो देखो, by construction QR I have taken as 3 centimeter. Angle Q, this is 45 degree by construction. इनका justification is construction. How do I justify QP minus QR is 2 centimeter? तो guys, I have taken QA as 2 centimeters. Steps लिखना important नहीं है. No other steps, writing steps is not important. But justification is asked. Justification you need to write. वो लिखना है, जरूर लिखना है. Okay. अब बेटा देखो, उसमें ना ध्यान से देखना. Let us say guys, please listen carefully now. Let us say guys, we have a point over here. Let's say it is a point B. If you see triangle PAB and triangle PRB, and triangle PAB and triangle PRB, first thing guys, this is a perpendicular bisector. So this line will be perpendicular over here and bisecting the line AR. Since this line is perpendicular bisector, that's what it means. These two angles are 90 and AB is equal to BR. So I can say in these two triangles, first thing I can say PB is the common side. Angle PBA is equal to angle PBR, and I can say AB is equal to BR. So by side angle side rule, I will say, sir, triangle PAB is congruent to triangle PRB, and if they are congruent, I can say PA is equal to PR. Listen carefully guys, PA and PR are equal. This side PA and this side PR, they are equal. ये दोनों, this PA and this PR are equal sides. Okay, Now we need to prove QP minus PR is 2 centimeter. देखो what I will do, I'll say first thing sir, PQ is nothing but PA plus QA. PQ is nothing but PA plus QA. Look at the diagram. PQ is PA plus QA. So I can say PQ minus PA is equal to QA. अब बेटा देख लो QA is 2 centimeter. So I can say PQ minus PA is equal to QA. कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? QA is 2 according to the construction. QA we have drawn an arc of 2 centimeter which is given to you over here. So PQ minus PA is 2, obvious. Ab no PA and PR are also equal, so you can say finally you can say so replace PQ minus replace PA with PR. PA can be replaced as PR. So PQ minus PR will be equal to 2 and hence proof. ये हो गया justification. This is the justification. Beta Aditi, I have already answered your doubt. ABC and DBC are not congruent triangles. वो congruent triangles नहीं है. Okay? Clear? Justification clear beta, very important. Justification is very important. Okay, चलो let's move ahead. Next question देखते हैं. Case based questions now. ठीक है, case based questions देखो. First question क्या है? The front compound wall of a house is decorated by wooden spheres of diameter 21 centimeter. है ना, ये किससे है? फ्रंट कंपाउंड वॉल है हाउस का, डेकोरेटेड बाय वुडन स्फीयर. वुडन स्फीयर्स है, डायामीटर 21, तो रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 21 by 2 centimeters. Placed on small supports as shown in figure. 8 such spheres are used for this purpose. So total 8 spheres are to be painted silver. Silver paint करना है. Each support is a cylinder of radius 1.5 centimeter. We are talking about this cylinder. ठीक है, इसका diameter we got. Diameter is 21. Here the radius of the cylinder is given as 1.5 centimeter and height of the cylinder is given as 7 centimeters. And these cylinders are needs to be painted black. So obviously if there are 8 spheres, cylinder भी 8 होंगे. It's pretty clear. If there are 8 spheres, cylinder will also be 8. First, find the surface area of the silver painted part. That means surface area of sphere. So silver area to be painted silver will be 8 spheres, and each sphere is how much? 4 pi r square. So 8 times of 4 pi into r square, 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. 7 3s are 2 2s are 4 got cancelled, and now you are getting with 21 into 3 is 63 into 8. So 63 into 8, 63. So 8 3s are 24 power 2 and 8 6s are 504 into 22. So 504 into 2 will be 1008 and 1008 and here 1008. So 880 008 10011. I think this much. Yeah, correct calculation. What? No. Okay. I took this question very lightly. मैंने शायद बहुत lightly ले लिया. I seriously took this very lightly because हाँ सही बात है ना यार. This. Guys, that's my mistake. Actually, it is my mistake because I'll show it to you over here. देखो क्या है कि this is suppose your sphere and this is your cylinder. All right. So you will see that if I am painting the silver सिल्वर अगर पेंट कर रहा हूं, सिल्वर विल बी पेंटेड एवरीवेयर एक्सेप्ट ये इतना पोर्शन में. सो आई विल से पेंट रिक्वायर्ड for one sphere will be equal to the surface area of sphere will be equal to what? It will be equal to the surface area of the sphere minus ये वाला क्या है बेटा? So this is nothing but area of the top minus top area of top of cylinder. So this is going to be 4 pi r square minus this is pi into cylinder का radius square, pi r square cylinder, that is a circle, right? So this is will be equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 minus 22 by 7 into radius was here, what was the radius? Radius was 1.5. So 1.5 into 1.5. टेक कॉमन, बाकी पूरा सॉल्व कर लेंगे. अच्छा, फिर देयर टोटल पेंट, टोटल सिल्वर पेंट रिक्वायर्ड विल बी हाउ मच? विल बी 8 times ऑफ दिस, 8 times ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, उसका 8 times कर लेना है. ठीक है, तो इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट क्या है बेटा? दिस वन, दिस इज योर इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई दैट विथ 8. ठीक है, 8 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लोगे. कैलकुलेशन है, कैलकुलेशन यू डू इट यार. ठीक है, ओके प्रांजल बेटा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेन. इट्स नॉट पेन रिक्वायर्ड, इट्स पेंट रिक्वायर्ड. नो वन रिक्वायर्स पेन, राइट? ठीक है. ओके, सो फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंट रिक्वायर्ड. द सिल्वर पेंट कॉस्ट 25 पैसे पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एंड ब्लैक पेंट कॉस्ट 25 पैसे पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो सिल्वर पेंट के लिए तो बेटा एरिया भी नो है ना. सो आई कैन से कॉस्ट of silver paint will be how much? कि भाई कॉस्ट ऑफ सिल्वर पेंट तो हमारा ये रहा 11,031.424, 11,031.424 into 25 पैसा. 25 पैसा मीन्स व्हाट? 1/4 रुपीज. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कॉस्ट ऑफ सिल्वर पेंट. अब कॉस्ट ऑफ ब्लैक पेंट, तो बेटा देखो ब्लैक पेंट वेयर वी आर यूजिंग, look at the diagram on the silver point. तो black paint is black paint, देखो नीचे ऐसा दीवार है. So black paint will be used only on the CSA. Black paint will be used only on CSA. Base is covered, top is covered. So I can say कि sir black paint required, black paint required will be 8 times the CSA of cylinder. So 8 times of CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r, radius is 1.5 into h was 7. ठीक है, so 1.53 8 3 are 24, so 48 and 8 528 कर रहा होता 528 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. हाँ, so cost of black paint, cost of black paint, what will be the cost of black paint? By cost of black paint will be cost of 5 पैसे per centimeter square. So 528 into 0.05. Multiply कर लो, you will get your answer. ठीक है, multiply this, you will get your answer. Okay, clear है बच्चों? अरे वाह असगर, वेरी वेल डन, वेरी वेल डन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखो बेटा. फोर फ्रेंड्स, मनोज, कौन कौन है भाई 4 फ्रेंड्स? मनोज, बिन्नी, विनय एंड सचिन वर प्लेइंग लूडो गेम्स. ठीक है, नाइस. लूडो गेम इज ओवर हियर. They have chosen different color of coins. Manoj have chosen green, Binny red, Vinay yellow, Sachin has chosen blue color. On the basis of above information, answer the following question. क्या है? What is the probability of Binny winning the game? अब Binny का game win करने का probability क्या होगा? Let me know in the class guys. जल्दी से बताओ भाई, quickly. अरे भाई एक बार बताओ, does it depend upon choosing the color? क्या? It doesn't. all have equal chances of winning. All have equal chances of winning 1 by 4. Clear hai? All have equal chances of winning, so 1 by 4. Next, due to some urgent work, Manoj and Vinay have left the game and taken their coins. Now, what will be the probability of yellow token winning the game? अब मनोज और विनय चले गए, तो देखो मनोज का क्या है हमारे पास में, मनोज एंड विनय हैज गॉन, मनोज हैज टेकन चोजन ग्रीन एंड विनय हैज चोजन येलो. तो अब मनोज ने टेकन देयर कॉइन, मनोज है ग्रीन, विनय इज येलो, so they are no longer in the game. So if they are no longer in the game, yellow कितना गेम है के चांसेस जीतने का, 0 only, impossible event. They have taken their points also. Simple. ठीक है? All right. Clear है बच्चों? Yes or no? Okay बच्चा, ठीक है? So this is what your different types of questions I have discussed. Chamka, nice. All right, chalo. So all the best, guys, and do not forget that we are also there for you, and we have launched this Udan batch, and this Udan batch mein you can apply the coupon code GPE Pro. All your YouTube teachers will be taking your class. That means I'll be taking your maths, Ananya sir SST, Shilpi ma'am chemistry, Bhavana ma'am physics, Shweta ma'am English. And what subject is left? What subject is left? Maria ma'am will be taking bio. ठीक है? So all your favorite teachers will be taking full term 2 syllabus will be covered, and all classes are going to be live classes, and yes, your doubt solving facility will also be there. The best part, the course although is present at rupees 800, reduced from 1600 to 800, and on that apply the coupon code GPE Pro and you'll be getting it at just rupees 720 for all the subjects. 2-week long course it is, 2-week long course hai. By the March 5th we will be completing the whole syllabus. 2 week ka course hai, join it and you will definitely see improvement. Okay, chalo. So this is the link over here, guys. देखो in the description box of this video, Udan Class 9th enrollment link. इस पे click करना है, you'll be taken to this page, and here you have to just click on buy now. Limited seats है, register, enroll it as soon as you can, because once the seats are full, because we are doing it for the first time, we have limited number of seats. Once the seats are full, we might not be able to take it. ठीक है? So quickly register for it, 9th term 2 or your Udan batch as well. Alright, so thank you so much guys for joining the session. Please don't forget to like this video before you leave, share the video with all your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye bachcho, bye bye. Bye bye guys.